afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I am reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading Satellite Office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Thursday, November the 8th, 2012, and here is today's midday market update. I want to first start off by taking a look to see how the indices are trading right now. The Dow Jones is down 35.5 points. The comp is down 14 and a quarter. The Russell is down 4.10. The S&P cash index is down 4.85. Let's take a look at the ETFs. The SPY is down 51 cents. The IWM is down 56 cents. The Qs are down 39 cents. And the DIA is down 43 cents. We take a look at some of the indices here. The banking index is up 21 cents. The XOI, the oil index, is down 7.63. USO up 19 cents. GLD up 57 cents. GDX up 11 cents. JJC Copper finally showing some strength today, up 17 cents. And SLV Silver up 26 cents. Let's take a look now to see how the market is trading here. You can see the ES is continuing its selling pressure here. We did have some buyers try to step in here, but let's talk about what we were looking at this morning going into the open. As you guys see here on the chart, you had the 15-minute chart of the ES on the left. You had the 5-minute chart of the ES on the right-hand side. And going to the open, you can see here we were trading in this little range overnight off the big down move. So in all essence, this is a bear flag. We had the selling pressure yesterday that made the flagpole. We had the sideways consolidation overnight that made the bear flag. Now we zoom in on the chart here, all right, and you can see that this 1391 level was acting as of importance earlier this morning here as they shook some shorts in there, washed them out, broke us up over, tried to break us back over this resistance level, shook in some longs, and then we washed them out right here. This is your little this action right here from this little move from the break of this little range right here, all right. From a move from a break below it to a break right back above it. That's your little shake and bake action. This little whole action right here is shake and bake. This is your real move right here. All right. And if you're in the chat room, we caught the real move. All right. I'm gonna show you why. All right. I'm gonna show some of you guys my proprietary channel analysis stuff here. All right. I don't really show everybody, but I show some of the guys in the chat room. And I show you guys some of the stuff on the daily chart. If you can see here overnight, we were trading in this little range on my proprietary hourly chart of the ES. You can see this was a range right here. They shook you out in the morning. They shook you out to the top side, and this is a washout. That's why I have it shaded in yellow. Now, if you take a look at the 50 minutes, the same channels here, you can see the washout a little bit clearer here. You can see the range. See the range right here. All right, and this morning when we opened up, I was telling my guys, hey, guys, look, if we break above 1395, if we break back below 1395 here, this is going to be a bull trap. And guess what, guys? That's exactly what it was, a bull trap. We nailed it in the chat room. And you can see here we nailed the next move to the downside as well. So now you're probably wondering what stocks did we trade today? So let's take a look to see what stocks we traded today here. One of the main stocks that we were watching this morning was QCOM and McDonald's and WFM. All right, we did not trade WFM. Well, at least I didn't. All right, but I did get the traders prepared for the levels. But one of the stocks that I traded this morning was McDonald's. All right, the reason why I liked McDonald's, let's talk about the first trade. The first trade was QCOM. QCOM had earnings yesterday. The stock gapped up. It was gapping into a key level at 63. You can see it had this big spike up overnight. After hours. Traded sideways in a range. So this is kind of like a little bull flag right here. All right, but the fact that it was very extended on the daily chart into some resistance levels here. All right, and then the fact that we was also the way the market is with the sentiment and how people are selling rallies and all that stuff. You guys know the deal. We were looking for a move if it held below 63. All right, some key levels that we gave out this morning that I mentioned was 63 is the key level to watch the above and below method. If you guys don't know what the above and below method is, you want to make sure you go to our chat room, mywallstreettv.com. Password to log in is smart. You want to make sure you go to wallstreettrading.com, fill out the form on the upper right-hand side to get the 14-day free trial. In any case here, we were looking for a move around 63, either holding above 63 or holding below 63 and basically spotting some held offers on the tape. Well, that's exactly what we got. We got short this stock. Once we identified that it was going to break below 62.25, we waited for it to spike up when it was down here at 61.80. When it was down here at 61.80, all right, I told my guys to get ready for a spike up, and you can short anything towards 62.25. All right, with a tight stop above that level, we got short 62.17. Put a stop like at 62.40. We're risking about 17 cents. We were able to catch it, move all the way back down towards 61.60, where we had some nice covers. And then, some of the guys were saying, oh, let's get short again at 62.25. I didn't recommend them to do that, but maybe some of them guys did that. I'm not sure. But after that trade, our next focus was McDonald's MCD. MCD key level on the chart is the 86 level. I actually tweeted this out again. If you are not following us on Twitter, you can look at Wall Street Trade, WALLST Trade, or if you're not following us on StockTwits, you can find us on StockTwits at My Wall Street TV. All right, and then you can find my information on my website. Well, my Twitter's Ask Chris He Trade. All right, and my website is Channel Guy Trader, which you guys, if you guys are following this video, you guys probably know that already. But in any case, here, let me bring over the daily chart of McDonald's so I can show you why we were looking at McDonald's real quick here, and then we'll end the video out with that. McDonald's key trend line. Obviously, it's been broken. We've been below it, but I want to take a look at the monthly and the weekly chart with you guys here to show you guys how important this 86 level was. All right, 86, you can see here on the monthly time frame, very important. All right, you can see it's been holding up ever since back here in what's this, July or so. You can see the weekly time frame, very important level, and then we go to our daily chart. All right, you can see McDonald's on the daily chart was consolidating in a range here. They gapped it down this morning because they reported lower sales numbers. So we had a nice little catalyst to work us through that 86 level. All right, so now let's take a look at the intraday time frame to show you guys how we traded it. All right, and there goes the intraday time frame. You had the sell-off from the news that came out this morning from the store sales. All right, this is kind of like your little bear flag action. You got your nice little down move. All right, let me draw that better. You got your nice little down move right here. You have your nice little sideways consolidation right here. All right, and all they did was basically when the market opened up, they popped it towards the upper part of this range here, trapped in some longs. The level that we told the traders to watch in the room was 86.40, 86.50. We also mentioned 86.70 as previous day's lows, which is this green line right here. Some traders, I didn't get sure right there as I was waiting for more confirmation around the 86 level, as that's the way I like to trade. In any case here, once it started holding below 86 cent, broke this 86, we got short at 86 with a 25 cent stop. Got short 86. Stop was 86.25. You see they try to stop us out on this bar right here, and that didn't work because it went to 86.21, and we were able to ride this sucker all the way down to 85.25, which was the target, making it a nice 3-to-1 trade. Risking a quarter to make 75 cents. And that's the type of trades that we like to take in the chat room. Again, if you have not been to our chat room, you can sign up for the chat room at wallstreettrading.com. Fill out the form on the upper right hand side. Whether you trade futures or options or equities, we do it all. We trade, I don't trade futures, but we track the futures pretty much to the T. We do trade some options if we have a nice little option set up. Missed the weekly Google puts this morning. Kind of mad about that. In any case here, McDonald's, I traded McDonald's via the puts and the equity. About the 87.50 puts for, let me take a look at my account here. About the 87.50 puts for, see here, 1 second. About the 87.50 puts for $1.55, and so far earlier today they hit a high of $2.10. You guys kind of see what we have going on there. So in any case, hope you guys are having a great trading day. Again, make sure you come check out some of the work that we do. We have good stuff, accurate analysis on the market, and it's good stuff, guys. Have a great afternoon, and I'll catch you guys after the close.